This video will show how to grant organization access and set data permissions between PCT and My John Deere. Begin by clicking your username in the top right hand corner and clicking My Settings. Then go to the John Deere tab and click the Check Organization Access button. If there is not a thumbs up icon to indicate organization access, click the button to manage organization access at John Deere Operations Center. This will take you to the Operations Center, where you can click Save to connect with PCT. Then, to set the correct data permissions, click Manage on the PCT Agcloud tile in the Connections page, then click Manage under Connected Organizations. Click Edit to set the permissions. All sections except Financial need maximum access. When finished, click Save. Back in the My Settings page, click the Check Organization Access button once again, and a thumbs up icon will appear next to the organization to confirm that the organization is linked.